Hello money makers, you welcome back. I want you guys to claim this airdrop. Okay, this airdrop is a free money which you can claim. So firstly, you need to go down in the comment section and join the Telegram channel. When you join the Telegram channel, you click on the airdrop link right there. When you click on there, you will get here on this page where you click start. So when you click on start, okay, you're going to just try your best to go through all these whole options right here, all these whole stuff that is written right here. So what you're going to do is just to join their Telegram channel. Okay, after joining their Telegram channel, okay, I want you guys to read this all through, okay, so you can understand all these things that they're saying. Okay, so after that you have to scroll up. Okay, on here we are going to join their Telegram channel. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so after doing all of that, we click on submit. So let's join their Telegram channel. So you can see that I've joined. Okay, so you have to go back, so you make sure you join all their Telegram channel. So, and as well follow them on Twitter. You can see here I've joined them. So you go back, and here is on the Twitter page. Okay, the most crucial part of it, where you must try your best to, coming on here. You can see me here. Okay, you can see this there. Yes, that's the campaign. Yeah, the airdrop campaign. So you come here, like the post, and come here and just comment on something and tag about 3 persons or 3 people. All these people I tagged, I don't even know them. So you can just formulate a name and and tag it right there and put it right there and post it. So that's just what you need to do. And then the next one is going to, let's check this very well. So let's get on here. So you click on submit details after you've done all of that. So right here we are going to verify all of the stuff that we've done. So you can see it, don't forget to do it. Then after that they will ask you of your Telegram username. So right there is my Telegram username. Okay, but make sure you verify all this information because they are all going to be crucial. So yeah, we have to as well subscribe to their YouTube channel. That's people doing this is more like their advertiser YouTube channel. On here is where you subscribe. You can as well subscribe on there. And as you're subscribing, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well and follow me on TikTok. Okay, so it's very simple. This free money, so you don't have to be worried about anything. I've subscribed already. Okay, that's why. So don't worry, let's go back. Okay, I've subscribed. Let me show you guys this. You can see I'm subscribed, so I have to go back right now. So after that, they will ask you for your Telegram username. You put in your Telegram username. They will ask you for email address. Put in an email address that you have, which is not your personal one. So right here, you make sure you copy their control address right there. Okay, and get on your Trust Wallet. So when you get on your Trust Wallet, you click, let's take this off, sorry about that. So you click right here up there. So when you click up there, okay, you are going to paste in the control address which we have copied. Okay, so let's do that right now. So after doing now, you can see the coin right here. So you turn on the button right there. So this is, so you come on receive. Okay, receive, because we need to paste drop the control address right there. So you copy it. So after that, you get on here and paste your receive address. This is where they will send your money to you, okay, which is the amount of money you make on this airdrop. Okay, so you scroll down, you can see they're saying congratulations, and let's scroll down a little bit. You can see I clicked on balance. Okay, you can see how much I have right there. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I don't have plenty. Okay, and I was able to click on withdraw. Okay, they said that you have to refer this to about 15 of your friends, if I am not mistaken. Yeah, 15 of your friends, and after that you can be able to withdraw your money after sharing to 15 people. So that's my referral, and then you click on referral link, then you see a referral link right there. Okay, so with that referral link, you can be able to refer it to more people. So guys, let's share the link. Share your own link and don't share mine, so you can earn more money from it. So this free money, guys, enjoy, and let me know what you think about this, and let me know the latest airdrop you have in your list, and catch you again. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you.